you want me and you have things?
She will see me in there. What the kind of woman?
I say, should I in there? They wash me back.
I wash back.
You know, wash back? Where you wash? Front? Yes, yes. Welcome back to the William fam. Hi Snuckums, my baby's got a haircut. So he's finally got a haircut. Well, we're getting ready. You know, it's Christmas is right around the corner. Well, it's in like a couple of days. So Christmas is pretty much almost here. Right, so we're actually just getting ready to go out. We got a few errands to do, and yeah, for those that are new to the channel, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the William family and join our family over here. And to all my returning subscribers, what's up? So yeah, I just I'm just getting ready to go out, and this one's talking about how long he's been waiting on me. You feeding me gummy bears so early. Well, it's not that early, it's actually late, but we're gonna head outside and see how much trouble we can get into today, right babes? No. What do you mean no? You know how long I haven't seen you in your glasses? Oh, what do you mean top aisle up your mouth? You don't say disgusting. All right, so let me get my coat on and let's get out of here. Okay, so we are off to some new adventures. So we are off to some new adventures, man. They're building these houses so fast. I'm gonna show you what they look like, huh?
You have one already?
Yeah.
You not one already.
So I don't know. See, this is just the other day they started building this house, and look. Look where it is. He's on the roof. And so they have other lots here that they're building so quickly. And then like you see those, I don't know, their basement hopefully. But the amount of time it takes to build houses over here is nothing comparing to the amount it takes to build a house back home. Because the only thing that's built out of concrete is the basement for those that do live over here and in the States.
Just
and then
the outer wall, no partition.
So are you going to thing first? Are you you're going that way first? Yeah. Okay. When we come back we'll grab it? Hello?
Yeah, we are frightened before.
Wait, me are frightened you. You just me ask you something. Why you always gotta give talking? Huh?
No, but you're frightened me.
Frighten you. You're so disgusting, Mario. You know, so you get a lot of talking. Eh?
So you see.
So me say no, so me no. And see people who
so you
that what do you mean so me alone say? People that know you, like people always say, oh, he's so quiet. He doesn't talk that much in the vlogs.
So me not quiet.
What do you mean you're not quiet? You're quiet when you want to be.
You talk much?
What do you mean you talk much? You talk wallop.
You wish.
I always say a quiet man is a sneaky man.
Could you make the light catch me?
Here and now. So how me make the light catch you? I mean driving or you?
You're the...
You me what?
Yeah, this trap me
You're so disgusting.
I come cool.
No, you're cool. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I know. But the water, it's ice. Holy, well at least it's nice and cold.
Nice and warm.
You know what it is? It's your me a cough, I can't just be and come out the door. And my hair is a little bit wet as well. That's so crazy.
Oh, with the beard.
You want me and you have things?
She will see me in there. What the kind of woman?
I say, should I in there? They wash me back.
I wash back.
You know wash back? Where you wash? Front? Yes. You're supposed to wash your back on the front, so that means that you only wash for your front, you don't wash your back then. Eh? No, we need to go get gas. And when you drive out to little gas, Mr. Williams, holy, look at the dump. Everybody I get rid of stuff. Oh my gosh, look, this is our dump line, guys. Everybody and their mother is like a whole lineup. The other day it was 2 cars, 2 way full, 2, yes, I mean 2 line, not 2 cars. full of stuff. Oh my goodness. Well, at least, well, there's no snow on the ground, but the grass just looks dead. Like, I don't know, brown. It'll pass the brown. So which way first? We're going. I need to go to.
You need to go every way.
I need to get a
When they come back, me can carry one.
What? Don't play with me. But I need to go everywhere. No, you know, I don't. We don't even go out that often. Yeah, so you use 1 bird,
so
kill 1 stone, kill 2 birds.
I'm not do that. The amount of thing that me get about that's not too.
It's not that much, babes. No, we're going. Well, you have the day, so.
Plan to make soup?
What?
That's a whole heap of bird. You plan to make soup?
I plan to make what, bird soup? Oh yeah, you go drink bird soup.
No, you alone.
Yeah, me alone. Have you? No, you've never had bird. Have I had bird?
Hey, bird, look funny how man another one pass you with a pig. Then kill him and then name people. Watch him.
Because she doesn't want to go to that light, so you notice she right in the middle. She could have go to this light and she could have go to the other one.
You see, she's like she want to step down already and he like.
Did she step down yet? Or maybe she's a jumper. You never know. Unnecessary. That's what she wants to cross. You have people that are jumpers that stand there, wait at the traffic light, and when they're ready, then just jump right into it.
She's gonna jump in front of me.
Oh my gosh. Oh man. The air. I don't even know if it's like fresh air I'm breathing or.
Fresh air.
What? No, don't, Mario. Really?
Yes, you want fresh air.
Don't let me have anything.
Oh, I need to get fresh air.
Yeah, me tell us I want window for fresh air.
Come on, make up your mind and talk about it.
So, are we having a date today? You're taking me out on a date?
I got the bunny already.
Where me made up on date already? When last me I go on date? So how's that?
I'll see if it's date this right now.
Really, babes?
Yeah, with the on date.
The on date how?
Well, see if nobody,
how?
Well, looking. Is it? Some more than 6 feet, you know?
That's when you know you have a cheap ass man.
They say you call social distance.
That's social distance. You know what? You know what would have been nice to go to the movies, like a drive-in. They should have been able to still do that. I remember back in the days they used to have movie dates where you're in your car. You go, you pull up, you buy your popcorn, but you're in your car watching the movies. That would have been nice. The only backside thing is because it's so cold, you would have literally had to been running the car just to keep warm to watch the movie. You see, like times like this in this pandemic, like things that they used to do, certain things that you could bring back, they should have bring back in style, because hey, it'd still be benefiting. But then I guess with everything, look, the dog looks like he have a seatbelt. He sit up straight on the back like a human being. Oh gosh. And the car, like when the car stopping, just, you know how like when a person is in the car and it's like you hurry up and slam on the brakes. I want to go in that light place there.
What?
No, me and you.
Me and you.
Hello. I need to start looking for things.
You don't need light yet.
Wait, me don't need light yet, but I wanted to have an idea.
No, but we don't have the idea.
Okay, ladies, as women, don't we like to look ahead of time and have ideas of what light and stuff. Wait, I mean ahead of time too far.
You see, sometimes when I don't want to eye shop, sometimes I go, for instance, I go in a light place now, I'm one light up, I love, I'm say, just shit, me never start it.
But you can't buy it and put it on, especially if it's on sale. You know how much money you're saving?
No, I don't buy it now.
Here now. Oh, you want to buy it and put in?
I want to wait till everything done, I'm ready for the light. I go look like.
Yeah, and then when you go look like you can't find what you want.
Well, you use anything you find, you use.
No! Yes. You must be mad. Really?
And you don't like the know what you see? Wait until I find one.
No, me rather look ahead of time, see something that I like, buy it and put it down, because you could actually build around that to make sure and say, okay, this is the size, that's what me I put in, this is the height.
No,
it won't.
Anyway, you go, you put on it like, when you're ready for it, you must.
You know, must want it.
No,
yeah, but you can always give it to somebody else. Maybe you see something else something better that you want, or you can put it somewhere else.
Somebody can steal it.
But
it can mash.
Who will steal it?
No, you're not thief.
You know,
somebody who, alright, and somebody who they run you can be thief, and you know.
Oh gosh.
So you don't know who's the thief.
So
you can
how much you get something upon?
What are you doing around I guess?
What do you mean run out of gas? You push what?
Yeah.
You think of Jamaica there, if you run out of gas, you know, say, yeah, alright, because it's nice and hot and thick. We're in the dead cold. You see the color of our skin?
Let's start pushing to get warm.
Start pushing to get warm? Hello? I have no iron.
You know
so
what that body eat?
Me would have dead before people
no.
bright off.
You know what that body eat by pushing the van?
I don't get warm that easy.
Me steer and you push it, please liver.
And you should know that. If you see me in Jamaica and me, sometimes we have on tracksuit in the house and have on how much blanket sheets at night when we sleep with. You know.
Crazy.
Wear me because I'm crazy. I'm not crazy.
Crazy.
I'm sure it's not me one alone in the warm island that sleep with blanket. Look how much people we see in our winter coats or winter boots in Jamaica.
And that's why you come to Jamaica go and trick me.
What? Where we say that? what did you just say? Me come to Jamaica come trick you?
You come to Jamaica go and trick me.
How I come to Jamaica come trick you?
You come to Jamaica now. Me live in Jamaica and down in Jamaica. Well, alright, now my t-shirt and marine and you come down there, you wrap up in a blanket and a real sweater and all kind of something. So me I say, if this a car cold, that means over this is not cold then. So you trick me.
So what you try to say, you didn't want to come here?
No, but you trick me. You may not over here so cold, me not go.
What do you mean if you know so over here so not cold, not come? Babe, look at when I had the snowstorm and I was like, babes, I was on my way to work.
No,
right? When I was taking bus them the times there and I was like, Mario, I am freezing. I said, look at this babe, I can't feel me toe them and turn up on here all long at the bus stop.
Yeah, but if you come to Jamaica, they complain for cold and a real sweater and I sleep on a two blanket. So what you tell me say? Eh?
I'm not trick you.
No, I trick me.
No, I'm not trick you, but you see how I am here.
Man,
wait a minute, no, stop it. Stop it.
How what people do it? No stop come to Jamaica and go on like Jamaica cold.
But Jamaica is cold, and plus we live in a country area, babe. It is cold. Mandeville kind of feels like almost when you're in Vancouver.
You be saying me can't go to Jamaica now and say me cold? Me can't go to Jamaica and say me cold. Nope. Now if you hold down they want to feel, me can't go to the
hello, you know that in the morning the way you get up 5 o'clock in the morning I forgot to take
but
that.
But that's something what me used to and me never say cool.
You lie.
So long, hello.
Lie.
You see that morning, if you get up from your shower and you just want to get with that shower, you know. When you get with that shower, you're alright. You feel good. Yeah.
Why you not say to me say?
But just no bathe in warm water in the early morning because we don't go to the worst. Just bathe in cold water and we don't go to
the cold water we cramp your teeth. Eh?
No cramp no teeth, but you cramp teeth. You can't turn on the pipe away.
Oh my gosh, you guys can believe weird as a man that talks to me trick him. I trick you into coming here. I can't believe you know something I go fight. Eh?
No, wait a minute.
Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Well, you know what, guys? We're gonna sit down. If you guys want to hear Mario's experience of when he just came here, because actually we never actually did a vlog about that, talking about his experience. Did we? No, I don't think so. Like, sit down and ask questions. So any questions you guys have and want to ask him about, like his transition, how he managed during the cold. Oh God. I still remember the day when he came here. He came here, what was it, in All Stars? He came here, it was It was one of the worst winters we've had in Canada in how much years? They said, was it like 50 or 60 years? Hello, what do you mean? No, said I would. Mario.
You booked ticket for me come over. You see me show you? And you set me up.
Mario, I didn't even know. I didn't know it was one of the worst winter days I've ever had over here in 50, 60 years.
I come over here, the whole place white.
So, well, you come here in wintertime, what you expect is going to happen? It's going to be sunny. But that's the best time for somebody, first time coming here, it's the best time to come. You experience it in the cold, and then you experience it when it's hot. And when it's hot, you complain, and that's why I told him, I said, don't complain about Jamaica hot, because it's totally different from up here, but he was not listening.
You can't make people adjust that way. You have to make them come before winter. You know, it's gradually snow don't fall and you don't get a feel like it.
So how you want to run for come up here in the winter? So how wicked you wicked to your brother there?
No, but sometimes you don't want some people experience what you experience.
Oh, you want them experience where you experience so you can laugh off of him?
I must want somebody to laugh off him. If I come up here and you and your father, everybody will laugh off of me.
That's a lie! That is such a lie. You know why I was laughing at you?
But you know, the run and they laugh at me too, you know.
Oh yeah, that's
because
true.
Because we send him video and that kind of stuff and I'll be laughing and laugh. So make everybody go enjoy it too.
But the reason I was laughing at him because when I sent him the video of me standing there waiting on the bus, like freezing, like I'm literally freezing off my toes and everything, and I have snow almost up to my knees, he's like, Shan, it's not so bad, stop going so bad, oh you act like it's so bad. I said, alright, wait till you come here. Oh, this one, what the hell? Oh boy. Sorry, somebody just literally just cut us off. Like he just drove right across. He must have not been paying attention. Must have.
I'm like a Jamaican. Oh, Jamaican.
Yeah.
A big class no man. He just put you off in them.
Oh gosh, that's why you have to be careful when you're driving. So that was what happened. I can't believe you. Boy, oh boy. But anyways, stay tuned for the next part of this video.
Our fears we see, no one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me, die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.